Hey friends, so I just wanted to share this really exciting announcement that Amazon just made. They have plans to train 29 million people in cloud over the next 5 years. They are just planning to share some free resources. I'll put the video. The VP of their worldwide public sector, Teresa Carlson, she made the announcement on MSNBC. I'll put that video clip right here.
And we originally started a lot of these programs in the U.S., but they have scaled. And a good example of this, John, is our AWS Restart program. And that program is specifically focused on the unemployed and the underrepresented. And that program we've launched in 12 countries already, 8 this year, 25 cities, and we plan to double that next year. And that's a program that I particularly really like because we're focusing on those individuals who do not have a job and may not have any cloud computing skills. It's a 12-week, kind of an intensive training course for free. And from that, he got a job as a technical worker at a company called IDBS Software Solutions. And we have many of those stories, and that's really what we want to hear. We want the individuals to quickly be trained on skills so they can go out and get employment.
Kind of things that she announced that are already up and running is the AWS Restart program. I'll put the link to that in the description or in the video somewhere. But this is a really amazing program for anyone who's been furloughed due to the pandemic, lost their job, all of that stuff. I believe you have to apply for it. The website explains what the program is, but it's a little bit vague about how you get started. But the learner profile is full-time availability to attend training Monday to Friday for 12 weeks, and then the ability to start a full-time job after course completion, and high school or GED equivalent. That's what I'm talking about. They're kind of explaining what the program benefits are, and it's talking about access, in-person skill-based training. I'm sure they've, tweaked that because of quarantine, but build skills aligned to AWS certifications, connect with employers, and start your career. The other resource she mentioned was something they're running over on Twitch. If you don't know what Twitch is, it's a live streaming platform. A lot of gamers use it. More musicians are kind of doing live stream concerts over there, but it's YouTube, but it's live streaming. So it's actually a good time over there, so you should check it out. They have a AWS Power Hour. Originally, it was geared towards machine learning, but they just launched one for the cloud practitioner. So if you're looking to get that certification, check out the Twitch AWS Power Hour for the cloud practitioner exam. I'm talking about, like, there are a lot of people out of work. A lot of people are going to need to reskill. This is the way, you save a global economy. And I'm hoping that they invest more money into this because they have it. And I hope way more companies follow suit. Google is doing a lot in terms of, offering free resources for cloud training. But, I want to see these big, giant companies do more because they have the means and access to do it. So I hope you check out some of these resources and let me know if you applied to the, what is it called? The Restart program and you got in. Let me know how that went, or if you're willing to check it out, or pass this on to someone who that lost their job this year and had it really rough in terms of employment. This could be something life-changing for them. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.